The 490W series wireless hydronic differential pressure manometer from Dwyer is revolutionizing the hydronic testing industry. So to demonstrate just how much of a game changer the 490W is, we brought in some professionals to show us how much faster and easier it is to work with versus legacy equipment.
Hey, my name is Clint Franks. I'm the president of Optimum Performance Balancing.
My name's Dan Fritsch. I've been working for Optimum Performance Balancing for 12 years.
Today we're going to be looking at how fast the Dwyer 490W meter is taking differential pressure readings.
Round 1. Setting up. Setting up the 490W is fast and easy. With the 2 AAA batteries already installed in each transducer, just attach the probe needles and the 490W is ready to pair to your mobile device. And the 490W setup time comes in at 28 seconds. Now to set up the legacy equipment.
Making sure we get everything assembled here on the floor before we put it up. Make sure these are turned off. We don't want any water spilling out. Now that we have those together, we can get ready to hook them up to the meter.
The legacy equipment setup took over 1 minute, so round 1 goes to the 490W. Round 2, initial readings. First up, Dan will take us through the initial readings with the 490W.
We can launch the app. First time we launch it, we'll have a couple permissions for location services. We'll go to sensor setup, find our 2 sensors immediately connected, give it a moment to pull the status of the batteries and to get the initial differential pressure. We'll set up our valve type, pipe size, our handle position at 4, calculate flow, we'll let it settle out, 23.6. We'll log the reading, which there we can view all the pertinent information about that reading. And then when we're all finished, we can disconnect the sensors quickly and put them to sleep.
So pairing the device, setting the parameters, taking readings, logging the data, and putting the transducers to sleep took 1 minute 32 seconds. Keep in mind that once the parameters have been set, the reading time will be far less when going through a typical hydronic system. Now, how does the legacy equipment compare?
As we all know, this would be the best case scenario where we have it all right in front of us. Typically, we'd be 8 feet in the ceiling, fiddling around with all this stuff. What we'll do now is we're going to drain the meter out so that we can take a proper reading without any air in it. So we're going to close these. Make sure they're closed. Make sure these are open. So we get clear water. One side. The other side. And we're good. We'll find somewhere else to dump this out. Then we'll use our wheel to calculate our flow. Checking our setting on our balance valve. Checking our differential pressure, plotting it. We see what we need here, and calculating our flow on the outer ring. So we can disconnect.
The legacy equipment took a full 2 minutes. And that time will be the same throughout a system. So multiply that time by however many test points you have, and you get the idea. Round 3, breakdown and storage.
I'll show the process of putting these away. Very simple. You don't even have to take the batteries out. They'll be good for 45 days. It's a simple process of unscrewing them, putting them in the case, face down, close the case. When the case is closed, all the water will go out of the valve and not mess anything up.
The 490W is disassembled and back in its case in just 25 seconds. Let's see how the legacy equipment does.
All right, next step, we'll open these. We'll let them bleed off. And for the last, most fun part, we can make sure that the meter is empty, so you're not putting it away. Living up here in the north with water inside of it.
After draining and disconnecting hoses, making sure no water remains in the meter, and packing up all those hoses, fittings, and wheels, the legacy equipment comes in at 2 minutes and 10 seconds. And if we look at the total time, even with going through the pairing and initial configuration, the 490W comes away the clear winner. So if you want to find out more about the Dwyer 490W, visit us at DwyerInstruments.com.